Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is a quick one. I remain your girl, baby cakes and treats. So today what are we going to do? I'm going to be teaching us how to make cake parfait. How to, did I say make? How to just package your cake parfait, or how to design your cake parfait. And very soon I'll be uploading how I make my whipped cream, so you can always watch the video of how I made this whipped cream that I'm using for this cake parfait. So stay tuned. So this is the process. The first thing is for you is you get your parfait cup. This is how your parfait cup looks like, and your cover. It comes with a cover, so you can use any sauce of your like. You can use the grapes, the strawberry sauce like I'm using. You can use grape berry, let's say blueberry sauce, any sauce you want, and you can use chocolate sauce. You can use white chocolate sauce, or you use dark chocolate sauce, and you can also use your caramel sauce to just design your cake, just to give it like to design your cup, just to give it a nice look. So after you've done that, you get your cake, you cut it into smaller chunks, which I've been doing with my spoon. Then the next thing is to pour some amounts of cakes inside your cup. You can get any flavor of your choice. Like this cake is the cut out from my birthday cakes that I've made, for my clients. So I said to just cut it out for cake parfait. So this is how I got mine. So that is why it is different flavors. So you take some like quarter cup full, this level. I can make it lower than that. Then you get your whipped cream. You put your whipped cream in a piping bag. Put a bigger nozzle at the tip. Then you pipe in gently. Can you see that? You pipe in your whipped cream gently, like maybe 1.5 inch thick. You can see the thickness from ear to ear. So then the next thing you do is you take another your cake again. It could be the same flavor, it can be another flavor, but the one I'm using right now is Bailey's flavor cake. So I just add some again. The third layer, which is the first layer is cake, the second layer is whipped cream, then this is the third layer, which is the cake again. Then I come again, I add in my whipped cream again. Then here comes the last layer. Did I say the last layer? The second to the last layer. You put in your cakes again. By this time you're filling your cakes and whipped cream should have gotten to the brim, at least a little above your cup. So then you come with the last layer, which is your whipped cream, and you pipe it in a circular motion, just like a ice cream shape, just this way. Then you come with your filling. You can do it this way, any which way you like. You can do it in a circular motion. Then you take your coconut. You can use any nut of your choice. You can even use your granola if you want. You can use any nut of your choice. Then put your coconuts just as another topping. Just put it, so just to make it taste nice and design it. Then lastly, you can decide to put your chocolate on top of it. And this is the first one. I'm putting my chocolate on top of it, and that is how you make your cake parfait. And you see the lovely, it looks so nice. Like I said, you can try to use any sauce of your choice. You can use any sauce or filling you like. So that is how you make it. Then the last thing is just to get your cup, warm it up, then cover it. And the beauty of this thing is for it to have this big look, so that when you cover your cup, you can see that it's very filled up. Now see, after you cover it, you will now be seeing space in between the cup and the cover. No, it shouldn't be so. So then you come clean it up need to clean it up, and you see my cake parfait is ready and it looks yummy, beautiful, lovely. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. This is how you make your cake parfait at home, and even if you want to sell it, you can make it this way. And thanks for watching my video to the end. Please, if you are here to subscribe on my channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and please like my videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.